Okay, 4K 30. The S, not the HS. Still 10-bit 422. And I'm on the Sony A7RV with the Sigma 60 to 600 millimeter. Now, I've used the other 600 millimeters, and I'll say this one gets me closer. So Sigma may be a little bit off. It might be like I don't know, because I've used the Canon 200 to 800, and it gave me a picture like this. Recognizes the bird. It's around its eye. So I see all the way, look at that. This is like an 800. And I haven't even moved the tripod. I'm going to keep it like that for now. So let me see if I have it in crop mode. That might be the problem also. Okay, I did have it in crop mode. So, there you go. Now it's 600 millimeters. Okay. And I might raise it a little bit higher. Something like that. What do you think? Pretty good? A little bit more. At the display, I want to look at something. Excuse me. Yeah, it's almost level. I could do this a little bit. Whoops, messed up. Sorry. That looks pretty good. A little bit more like this. Hard to do it with one hand. There we go. Almost. Not quite. Best I can do right now. Now I just keep quiet to see if anything comes down. Nice thing is I can walk away. Okay, what I did was, I see the birds, they're just not coming down. And I might have to turn this off. But this is the 60 to 600 millimeter. It's not in crop mode anymore. 60 to 600, Sigma. But look at that wide field of view. Now, isn't that a fantastic lens? I'm not shooting it in 8K, I'm trying to match each camera at 4K 30 with best picture quality available. Each camera is different with its mount, different heights and stuff. Let's get back to 600. I'm hiding around the corner. So if they don't see me, they'll go to the bird bath. They're in the tree waiting to come down. So I'm trying to stay as quiet as possible. Now, I am doing an experiment. So, I'm inside the house. I don't know if you can still hear me, but I'm looking through the blinds and I can see a couple of birds at the bird bath. So these are great shots, and I'm getting it with the A7RV Sony. With the Sigma 60 to 600 millimeter, and I see 4 birds right now. 2 are bathing, 2 are on the rim. So this is, you set it and you forget it. You let it record, and when one bird comes down, then the other birds, show up. From this point of view, I can get a better shot of the birds from the window, but then I have that screen in front. And I don't know if you can hear me. And the birds are gone. So I think I'll end this video shortly. Finish my coffee. I did have a problem with the that brand card. That's a 512 megabyte SD card. It wasn't writing fast enough for the SL2S. So it's still recording. Yeah, I'm going to get out of the way. I've seen the blue jay. I think I've seen the cardinal. And of course the sparrows. And just to show you, going back to 60 millimeters. And I'm going to put out the cushions on the chairs. Okay. So it's been recording for about 14 minutes, so cut it out here and there. But it's good picture quality. Let me look at the road. I can't see any light on it, but I do see my voice working. And, of course, shot. I'll bring it back to 600 millimeters. So from 60 all the way to 600 millimeters. Now you can see the water. Sharp, clear. So thank you for watching. Remember, stay safe, keep smiling, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye, folks. Have a wonderful day.